Swiss Airlines Carry-On and Checked Baggage Allowance 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn everything about the Swiss Airlines Baggage Allowance 2026, including carry-on baggage, checked baggage, personal item rules, baggage weight limits, excess baggage fees, sports equipment, infant baggage, and smart packing tips to help you avoid extra charges. Watch until the end for a fun travel quiz and useful tips that can save you money on your next trip. 1. Don't pay extra at the airport. Have you booked a flight with Swiss Airlines? Before you zip up your suitcase, stop right there. One small packing mistake could cost you extra baggage fees at the airport. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about the Swiss Airlines baggage allowance, including carry-on limits, checked baggage rules, excess baggage charges, sports equipment, and money-saving tips. Plus, stay until the end for a fun travel quiz to test your baggage knowledge. 2. Carry-on baggage allowance. Let's start with your cabin baggage. The number of bags and their weight depend on your travel class. Economy and premium economy passengers can usually bring one carry-on bag, while business and first-class passengers can bring two. Your carry-on should fit within the airline's size and weight requirements, so checking the latest rules before departure is always a smart idea. Pro tip: keep your valuables, passport, electronics, and medications in your cabin bag. 3. Personal item rules. Besides your carry-on bag, Swiss Airlines generally allows one personal item, such as a handbag, laptop bag, or small backpack. This item should fit under the seat in front of you. Many travelers mistakenly bring oversized backpacks as personal items, which may require checking at the gate. Packing smart can save both time and money. 4. Checked baggage allowance. Now let's talk about checked baggage. Your allowance depends on your ticket type and destination. Economy light fares may not include checked baggage, while economy classic, flex, business, and first-class tickets often include one or more checked bags. Light fares may not include checked baggage, while economy classic, flex, business, and first-class tickets often include one or more checked bags. Before you travel, always check your booking confirmation to see exactly how many checked bags are included with your fare. 5. Baggage weight and size limits. Here's a rule many passengers overlook. Every checked suitcase must stay within the airline's maximum weight limit. If your bag is overweight or oversized, you may have to pay additional charges. Instead of packing one heavy suitcase, consider splitting your belongings into two lighter bags if your ticket allows multiple checked bags. 6. Extra baggage and excess fees. Need to bring more luggage? Swiss Airlines allows passengers to purchase additional baggage before their flight. Buying extra baggage online before arriving at the airport is often less expensive than paying at the check-in counter. If you know you'll need extra luggage, booking it in advance can help you save money. 7. Special items and sports equipment. Traveling with skis, golf clubs, bicycles, musical instruments, or other special equipment? Swiss Airlines accepts many special items, but they may require advance notification or additional fees. 8. Traveling with children and infants. Families will be happy to know that Swiss Airlines provides baggage allowances for infants and young children on eligible fares. Items like strollers and child safety seats are often accepted under specific conditions. If you're traveling with kids, review the baggage policy in advance to make your journey smoother and stress-free. Smart packing tips. Before we finish, here are 5 simple packing tips that can help you avoid unnecessary baggage fees. Weigh your suitcase before leaving home. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space. Keep liquids within cabin baggage limits. Wear heavier clothing and shoes while traveling. Label every suitcase with your contact information. These small tips can make a big difference during your trip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Flights Assistance, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest airline baggage policies, aviation news, travel tips, and airport guides. Question of the day. Have you ever been charged extra for baggage while flying? Share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching, have a fantastic trip, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels.